Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be using the newest collection from Natasha Denona, which is called My Dream Collection. She came out with an eyeshadow palette, which is this one, a face palette, and then she came out with a lip trio, which was a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. I didn't get the lip trio just because I have way too many lip products. So I just stayed with the eyeshadow palette and the face palette. So in today's look, I'm going to be trying out these two for you. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So I'm pretty sure you've seen reviews of this collection. I don't know why, but Sephora and FedEx were definitely messing with me because I ordered this on launch date. Actually, I ordered it the day before it actually launched to everyone, and I didn't get it till yesterday. And yeah, I was pretty bummed about that because, you know, everybody tries to do their reviews, and I try to, if I'm going to review something, I want to do it and not look at anybody else's reviews. And so it was kind of hard not to, you know, look at everybody's reviews. Alrighty, so the only two things I actually got from her collection was the eyeshadow palette, of course. This is the outer curtain. It's Natasha Denona, My Dream Collection. And this is what the back looks like. This palette retails for $69. Now, her midi-sized palettes in the past were $65, but I guess she raised her prices with the midi-sized palettes as well. She did that with her mini palettes because they were once $25, and then she bumped them up to $27. So $69 for an eyeshadow palette, that's kind of hefty, but her quality is very good. And then I also got her cheek trio, which this is the outer packaging right here, and here is the back of it. And this cheek trio was $49. So let's get into the actual palette. Excuse me. So this is the palette right here, and I love the paint splatter. I think this is different. I love the color of this. It's different from anything she's ever come out with. And of course it has a full-size mirror, and then these are the shades right here. This shade right here is a dual chrome, so I'm not sure if you can see it on the pen, but it's like pink purple, and then it shifts green depending on the light, how the light hits it. But I like that she has a black here. So yeah, these are the shades. Very pretty. Definitely, I don't know, to me, when I seen the promo pics, it looked like the retro, but now seeing it in person, I really don't think it looks like the retro. So that's the eyeshadow palette, and this is the blush and highlighter cheek trio palette right here. Again, it has that nude packaging with the paint splatter. Love that. And it has a mirror as well, and then these are the shades. So I love this blush shade. I think it's gonna be good for fall, like a neutral. I haven't touched this, so we'll see. Alrighty, so now we're gonna jump into the eye tutorial. Now like always, I have my eyebrows done. For that, I outlined them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony, and then I filled them in with the dual powder in the shade Ebony as well. I carved out my eyebrows and then primed my lids with matte paint pot in soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on in the eyes. And now I'm gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. So not sure where I'm going with this, but I kind of want to try this dual chrome or multi-chrome, this one right here, because it shifts green and purple. I'm not sure if the light is picking it up, but it's a really beautiful color. And I'm kind of mad because I got my nails done, and you know, I like to apply my shimmers with my fingers, so it's gonna be a mission. And yeah, wish me luck. But anywho, let's see. So first off, I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna grab Morphe x Ariel 811 blending brush. As you can see, I'm gonna go into Unity, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my crease. Let's see. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the color Familia, and I'm gonna go into the color Familia, which is this one, Familia, right here. And I'm gonna use the Sedona Lace EB09. It's just a tapered blending brush. And again, I'm gonna use that Familia color, and I'm just gonna apply this to the outer part right here. Did you see how nicely that blended into the other color? Just stunning. All right, I'm actually gonna go into Instinct, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that right over this Familia color. This is one of those cream to powder shades, and I'm gonna bring that color like halfway on the lid. Now I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush, the Morphe x Ariel, the 811, and just blend the outer edges over here to help those two colors blend. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little bit of my glitter glue. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just gonna grab a little, just the tiniest bit, I don't need a lot. And I'm gonna apply that to this inner part right here. All right, now I'm gonna go into that color Vision. So this multi-chrome right here, I'm gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna do my best to try and can you see the shift from like purple to green? Do my best to apply this to my eye. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, wow, that is stunning. Okay, that is beautiful. All right, so now I'm gonna grab that Sedona Lace EB09, the one we used, that burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna run it through here to help those two colors blend a little bit better. Maybe grab a little bit more. Oh, that's stunning. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. Now I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna finish the entire face. Well, almost, because we still have to do the face palette together. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back. I obviously did my foundation. I added some bronzer. The only thing left is the blush and the highlighter. And of course, we're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona My Dream Cheek Trio Blush and Highlighter palette right here. So we're first gonna go in with this blush color right here, and I'm gonna use a brush. I'm gonna go into the cream blush, so in here, so as you can see, it's a little pigmented, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. And I already powdered my face, so this is a cream blush, so let's see if it goes nicely or if it plays nicely over my powder. So I'm gonna smile, and I'm just gonna start back here. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay, so it does play nicely with my over powder. That's really pretty. It's very subtle. It gives you like a nice flush of color to your cheeks. This will be really nice for the fall time, because you know when it starts getting cold and your cheeks look pinched. It's nothing too much, but oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow, very pretty. I like this. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna go into the Glow Cream base, and on top of that we're gonna apply the Dream Glow. So this is the cream and this is the powder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with my finger. Okay, this is really creamy. So this is the glow. It's very slippery. It's like Vaseline. And I'm just gonna apply it to, let me pull out my mirror. I'm gonna apply with my finger. And I don't see it picking up my foundation either, or any of my products. So this is like a subtle glow. It's very pretty. I mean, you can still see it, but very pretty. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the powder brush. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna grab my Morphe M501 highlighter brush. I use this for highlighting, and I'm gonna go with the Dream Glow, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna go in a little bit. And I'm just gonna go over that. Wow, do you see that? That base really intensified this highlighter. That is really pretty. I mean, this might look a little too much, but I just want you to see how intensify, how beaming these two work together, meaning the cream and the highlighter, the powder highlighter. That is stunning. Add a little bit to my nose. I always add to my nose. Yeah, that gives you like a nice healthy glow. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, wow, that is stunning, stunning. Alrighty, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm pretty sure you can't see the eyeshadow or the duochrome on the lid. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. However, in person, it looks really nice. It looks beautiful. Now, what are my thoughts? Let's start with the My Dream Cheek Trio. This is beautiful. I love this blush shade. I feel like it gives me a nice flush. This is perfect for an everyday, so I know I'll be using this a lot for work. And then these two highlighters are beautiful. Now you can use the cream highlighter by itself if you want to, if you really don't set your face, or even if you do, you can just like on the go, quick, easy, apply the cream bronzer and you're good to go. Me, I powder my face because I'm pretty oily throughout the day, but you can always use that glow over your powders and you don't have to worry about it picking up your powders. It plays very nicely over everything. So I'm really happy about that. And I love these two highlighters, as you can see together. They're so beautiful. So I'm really happy that I purchased this little trio from Natasha Denona, and I love the packaging as well. Like I said, it's different to what she comes out with, and I really like this touch of like paint splatter. That's the artistic side of Natasha Denona, and I love the detail. And now for the eyeshadow palette. Now, this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And you know what? Do you need it? Probably not. And if you don't own any of Natasha Denona's eyeshadow palettes, then yes, I would say go ahead and get it. The formulas are beautiful. I not only played with a few, but just on those few, it has the Natasha Denona great formula. Okay, now I'm pretty sure you have these colors in your collection somewhere in different other palettes, but I can reassure you that the formula in this palette is wonderful. Okay, they all play nicely, and I think this would be a nice palette for fall as well. It has all those burgundies, the golds, the browns, and you have that black that you can intensify any look, you know, go from day to night. So do you need it? No, but it's a great addition. I'm happy I got it, and I love the packaging, just like the blush trio, the blush and the highlighter trio. This one has the paint splatters as well, and I really love that detail. It's different. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got these items from her collection. And yeah, more looks to come. I'm gonna be trying to do another look using this palette. But yeah, that's all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.